There is a news story hitting headlines this morning, which is an update on a case that has been rumbling on for a very long time, and one you'll definitely want to be aware of as a Christian. And our group head of news, Marcus Jones, joins us now just to bring us an update on what's been going on.
Yeah, thank you, Maria. As you say, a Northern Ireland man's lost a 7-year legal battle against a Christian bakery that refused to make him a cake, which would have promoted gay marriage. I'm sure you'll have picked up on this story during the past 7 years. This, of course, is Ash's Bakery, and they said that the cake conflicted with their Christian beliefs. But Gareth Lee from Belfast claimed he'd been discriminated against. Now, the European Court of Human Rights has today ruled the action that he was bringing inadmissible. Mr. Lee had previously lost at the UK Supreme Court. Well, I'm delighted to say that we're joined by Simon Calvert from the Christian Institute, an organisation which has been supporting Ashers throughout their legal battle. Simon, how are you feeling after hearing this latest verdict from the European Court?
Relieved, to be honest. The UK Supreme Court ruling in favour of Ash's Baking Company was widely welcomed back in 2018 because it was a very careful balancing of competing rights. And the key principle that it endorsed was that nobody should be forced on pain of legal penalty to help promote views and political campaigns with which they profoundly disagree. And so it's a ruling which protects you whoever you are. You may be a gay man running your own bakery. You can't be forced to produce a cake which says that gay marriage is an abomination. Or you may be a Muslim and you can't be forced to print cartoons of the Prophet Muhammad. If Mr. Lee had won, that is the kind of scenario that you would have had, people forcing other people to help express their opinions, even though they profoundly disagreed with them. So it was a good news ruling for everybody. So it's good news that that ruling still stands.
What happens now then, Simon? Is this the end? Because obviously Mr. Lee went through all of the legal action in the UK. He's now gone to the European Court. Is that it now? Can we say that we will hear no more about this legal action?
Yes, well, he sued the MacArthur family initially in the county court in Northern Ireland, astonishingly, with the help of the Northern Ireland Equality Commission. And yes, we helped the MacArthurs to defend that action, helped them appeal all the way to the Supreme Court. The European Court of Human Rights today has said that its ruling is final, that this is inadmissible. So as far as this case goes, this is the end of the road.
And how will the owners be feeling? They've been reticent to speak in the media. They've tried to kind of get on with their lives, get on with their business. Exactly. How will they be feeling today?
Yeah, well, that's right. I mean, they're private people and they're entitled to their privacy. I have been speaking with them today and the last couple of days. I think I can fairly say that they are relieved at the outcome, relieved that this is finally over, relieved that the UK Supreme Court ruling stands.
And Simon, just talk about the future now. Obviously, you're fighting a number of cases when it comes to freedoms for Christians here in the UK. This case obviously sets a precedent, but there are a number of different organisations, individuals who are trying to really push on this issue. How confident are you moving forward that we are going to see, continued positive cases like this?
Well, I mean, we work very carefully on our cases. We select our cases very carefully. We employ the best lawyers that we can. And the ruling, as I say, on this case from the UK Supreme Court, it was welcomed by an astonishingly wide range of people. And I think that reflects, the quality of the argument that we made, but also clearly the quality of the ruling that the Supreme Court issued. You had gay rights activists welcoming the ruling. You had people from the political left and right, liberals, conservatives, religious, non-religious. So it was a good ruling for everybody, as I say, but it is, of course, good news for Christians. I mean, I would like to encourage Christians. I mean, firstly, if they get into, legal difficulty of this kind, if their religious liberties are at stake, they can contact the Christian Institute and we can see if we can help. But I would want to encourage people that we do have lots of good legal rights in this country that benefit Christians as well as everybody else. And there are times and places where we need to enforce those rights and stand up for those rights. And, we've won plenty of cases over the years, and this is just one of the cases that we've won. So I think people can be encouraged that, sometimes it is right to take a stand for your legal rights, and Christians can win these cases if they do it well, if they're sensible, if it's a good set of facts, we can win.
Simon, thank you so much for your time today. Really do appreciate that. That's Simon Calvert from the Christian Institute talking about Asher's Bakery, which has won a legal victory in the European Court of Human Rights.